that time of the month. No, not that time. It is heaven panty time. That is when you subscribe to the panty styling service, fill out the quiz, get your monthly panty delivered right to your door, and they start as low as $1.99. Heaven Panty's been sending me PR for 2 years now, and I love them because nothing has ever happened to these panties. I've accidentally dried them. Let me see. They've never frayed. They've never fallen apart. And I'm going to be honest, they're the only brand that hasn't. My Victoria's Secrets and some of the other brands that people do unboxings for. I'm just, I'm not going to throw out any shade towards them, but they've fallen apart. Yes, they have. So anyhow, this comes in a Ziploc bag, and you do the size ranges. Now, it used to be from extra small to 3XXX, but now it's even larger sizes, and you can switch up your panty for whatever you're feeling. Ooh. This is how I'm feeling. Cute, right? Anyhow, you can switch it up at any time you want. That's another thing I love about it. Okay. Oh, and you get add-on credits. I forgot. So there's an open window. You get your panty in the mail. Excited about it. Oh no, before you get your panty in the mail, they send you an email, and then they will, each time you do, you're subscribed, so you get $13 in add-on credits. They add that, and you can go shopping, and then you can add whatever you want to your cart with that, and then it'll ship with your panty. Okay. All mine have been building up for like years. I can't wait to use them. All right, look at how freaking cute. Oh my goodness. I am in love. These are adorable. Adorable. Okay, so they're stretchy. They're spandex. The only thing that's 100% cotton usually is the lining here. But oh my gosh, you guys know, I don't mind trying them on, but I'm going to tell you what. I noticed when I was looking at my analytics the other day, the amount of men that have saved my videos. Shame on you. I'm like, the only reason I try them on is because I feel like, you should get to see what they look like. Oh my gosh, I just realized these are horseshoes. Aren't horseshoes good luck? Look how freaking cute. So they shouldn't be too revealing. So I should be able to try them on for you. Should be. Okay, so they are kind of revealing. So we're just going to do like this little side part right here and leave it at that. Okay, and so just so you know, I do get size small. I am 5'6", and I range between 112 and 117 pounds. I go back and forth, but small always seems to work well for me. Now, do you guys have any questions? Do you think that we need panty styling services? I don't know. Let me know the answer to that down in the comments. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate you guys. I'm so sorry. I think I need water. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys real soon in my next one. Bye.